Hello everyone, today Rutvik Sausani is going to explain you how to display the numbers on 7 segment display using CD4511 decoder driver. It is a project under Foundation Skills in Sensor Interfacing at Marwadi University, which is guided by Mr. Mehul H. Kantaria, Assistant Professor of Marwadi University in Department of Information and Communication Technology at Marwadi University. So now we'll have a quick glance at the components that we need. This is Arduino board. Then this is our CD4511 decoder driver. So as you can see, we have all the seven segments here, that is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. This is VCC, that is power supply. This is input A, B, C and D, that is the binary inputs. Then this is for blinking, this is for lamp testing, and this is for enable. And this is VSS, that is ground. Then move forward to 7 segment display. In 7 segment display, this part is A part, B, C, D, E, F and G. And this all are independent LEDs. So there are independent connections to them, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And H is for the decimal, which we don't use most common. And there are two common pins here. Now we had a quick glance at the components. Now we will move on to the Tinkercad. I have already opened the Tinkercad here. This is our Arduino board, 7 segment display, CD4511 and resistor. And please make CD4511 to cathode mode. By default it is in anode, make it cathode. So now first we will connect CD4511 to the 7 segment display. C will connect to C. This is C. D. E. This is B. So B is here. A. F. G. So we have given all the 7 connections. Now this common will give to the ground 7 segment display as it is in cathode mode. Hey Taco! Hey Taco Chalkano! Taco! પાણી આવ્યું પાછળ પાણી We'll connect this common to the ground. So now we are done with the connections of the 7 segment display. Now this is VCC. So this is the power supply that will go to 5 volt. As it is power, so we'll give it red color. This is B in, C in. So we have kept the pins 2, 3, 4, 5 as A, B, C and D. So we'll give B to 3. C to 4. D to 5. A to 2. We'll make it looks beautiful. So now we are done with the connections of CD4511. Now this both LT and BT blink. We'll give them to 5 volt. Then LE and ground. We'll give to ground. So here we are done with the connections. Okay, now moving on to the code. I have already wrote the code here. Now first we'll discuss the variables taken. We have took 4 variables, S1A, S1B, S1C and S1D. Those are the binary digits that are to be given to CD4511. A is given to 2 pin here, B is given to 3, C is given to 4 and D is given to 5. And we have one more variable I is equals to 0 that we'll use for running the for loops. So now moving on to void setup. Now in void setup, first for loop, we are assigning pin modes, that is I is equals to 2 to I is equals to 5, that is I is equals to 2, I is equals to 3, I is equals to 4 and I is equals to 5. All are the output pins, so we are assigning them pin mode I output. Now moving on to second for loop, I is equals to 2 to I is equals to 5. We are digital writing all them low, all the pins are made low, so there will be no risk of any pin being high. So here is the end of our void setup. Now we'll move on to the loop. So we have to provide binary code to the CD4511 that will convert it to the digital and send it to the 7 segment display. So here in CD4511 the binary operation is DCBA, that is for writing 1 you will have to write D0, C0, B0 and A is equals to 1. So you will get 1 printed. If you want to write 2, you will have to write D0, C0, B1, A0. Then you will get 2 printed. So that is, it is in reverse order. So yes, we have took them in the order D first, then C, then B and then A. So by seeing the binary code, we think we are going to print 4 and we'll check if it's 4. Just start the simulation. Yes, it is 4. Now we'll check for any other value. Suppose we want to see 6. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. And see what value appears here then. Yes, it is 6. So now we can say that we have successfully wrote the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Once again, thank you.